ice map. Do you want to open one of those presents from Santa Claus? Okay, go ahead. Want to help? Mommy help you? Go ahead, pick one, honey. You want that one? I'll steal Papa's cute paper. Santa Claus? Oh yeah, the handle is. Oh my gosh. That's so good, Molly. You want to open it? Do you want Mommy help you? See right here? You want to hold on low?
We put everything where to next year.
Sorry about that.
Huh?
There's like...
Mike, she's trying to get everything.
Reach. She's saying reach.
Oh,
Oh. Oh, that's...
Like,